I'm going to be showing you how to back up WhatsApp messages to a new phone. So backing up WhatsApp messages to a new phone is straightforward, but the steps may differ slightly for Android versus iPhone. So I'm just going to show you a clear guide. So what you can do is make sure you've backed up on your old phone. So just open your WhatsApp like this and just tap on settings by looking at the bottom right. And once you're here, you need to find chats and tap on chat backup and make sure you've backed up right here. So after you've made sure that you've backed everything up in your old phone, just open your new phone and install WhatsApp. And immediately after you do that, you would need to verify your phone number, and when prompted, you would have the option to tap on restore to recover messages from Google Drive. That's how you do it. That's how you back up WhatsApp messages to a new phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.